Hi everyone. Sunday afternoon, it's 2 p.m. No, 3 p.m. already, and little bit start rain. But Georgi wait me in apartment, and we will go to Clark. This is his apartment. Rain not stopped. Georgi prepared to go into the Clark. He use raincoat, but I don't know we go or not because rain not stop more bigger rain. Better you say what happened nighttime with you? You say two girls try to come to your room nighttime.
In the morning.
In morning,
9
morning.
o'clock in the morning. When I sleep.
9 o'clock. Mhm.
The girl I take yesterday, she texting me and want to meet again. I did not answer. She come to
She
my
called to you, I
place.
know she called to you also. Many times call I seen.
Yes, and she come to my place, but I was outside.
Yes, because we've been in walking
11 p.m.
Yes, we've been in the walking street in 11
Yes,
and
yes.
she called to you many times. You not reply, I said
Yes.
better reply and say to I already not want like this. You need to say something, but you not
And
reply.
when I return at home,
Uh-huh.
security guard tell me this girl come and try to go to your room. I tell her you outside, you not home. And we go together, we knock the door.
Maybe another guest.
He go with her
Uh-huh.
to my room and knock the door, and nobody inside because I was outside.
And morning she
Yes,
again.
and morning she come again.
Wake up you.
I did not tell her to come. I did not ask her to come. So
But what she want? What you think? What she want? Money?
yes.
Give me money only.
Yes.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, Georgi. What you think? We going to the Clark?
It's first time
First.
happen with me. Usually girls texting first.
In advance, yeah.
Yes. If I agree to meet with her, she come to my place. Yes. But this girl come to my place and did not tell me I go to your place.
Mhm.
I did not ask her to go, and she come with another girl and tell, "Hi, I am the girl you take last night. So may I charge my phone?" I tell, "No, I sleep. Go away."
Okay. But in my video I not show you number of your room. If I show, maybe many girls want to come to your room. You want?
No, no, no.
Joke, Georgi. Of course I don't want. Okay. So what you think? We going to the Clark or you go home? Because
You
rain.
have umbrella?
Да, I have raincoat, I have umbrella. For me not problem rain.
No, we can go to eat somewhere.
Yeah. So we decided to go to the... Where Georgi want to go?
Germany.
Germany restaurant. We will walk in the rain. Already good weather. You can eat first. Angel's Bakery. Germany restaurant. Again. Sisi. Good afternoon. We just finished it in Angel's Bakery and we will go to the Clark. We will drive motor to Clark playground. I will walk in Clark playground now because already weather good. better this way.
Pare, Gcash mo ka na ibang paano ba yung video?
So now guys, we will go to the Clark playground in Georgi. Good weather right now. What is this? What do I do it? Good weather.
Bago na kami dun sa bar.
Amat.